Peekaboo! Hey, does everyone want to play the hide and peekaboo game?
Yeah!
All right, it's just like hide and go seek, but when we find you, you say peekaboo.
Yeah! Let's play!
Come on, everybody, let's go hide, and I will go and find you. Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, I'm gonna find you, find you. Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, I'm gonna find you. Where's Muno? Where's Muno? Peekaboo! Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you, find you. Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you. Where's Foofa? Foofa! Where's Foofa? Peekaboo! Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you, find you. Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you. Where's Broby? Broby! Where's Broby? Peekaboo! Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you, find you. Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you. Where's Toodee? Toodee! Where's Toodee? Where's Toodee?
Where's Toodee?
Where is Toodee? Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you, find you. Peekaboo, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peekaboo, we're gonna find you. Toodee, you were hiding so well.
Yeah!
Yeah, we couldn't find you. You're good.
Let's listen to sounds with Toodee.
Hey, everyone! It's time to listen for sounds! Yeah! Okay, shh. Let's listen. Can you hear it? Is it the sound of a dog barking? You're right! Keep listening. Is it the sound of a pig or a frog? A pig! A pig! You're right! Thanks for playing with me. I love listening to sounds. My name is Mason.